At 47 years old, Momofuku Ando lost everything. The credit union he ran went bankrupt, gone overnight. Friends told him to retire. "You're too old to start over." But Ando didn't listen. He said, "Losing money isn't failure, giving up is." Behind his small rented house in Osaka, he built a shed and started experimenting. Every day for a year, he worked alone, sleeping just 4 hours a night, chasing an impossible dream: how to make noodles that were delicious, cheap, and lasted forever. He failed hundreds of times, until one day he watched his wife fry tempura. He noticed the oil; it cooked and preserved at the same time. That was the breakthrough. He flash-fried noodles, sealing in flavor and removing moisture. Add hot water, and they came back to life. In 1958, at age 48, Ando released chicken ramen, the world's first instant noodles. People called it magic ramen. Then, in 1971, he created cup noodles. Noodles in a cup, ready anywhere, anytime. The invention spread worldwide, but Ando wasn't done. At 95, he sent Space Ram, instant noodles for astronauts, to the International Space Station. Today, over 100 billion servings are eaten every year in more than 100 countries, all because one man refused to stay down. So remember, failure isn't falling. Failure is staying down. Your biggest loss might be your clean slate. Think big, start small, and never let anyone tell you it's too late to change the world.